Dart is powerful language which is compiled into JavaScript. Google replaced JavaScript with Dart. Dart is the programming language especially developed by Google. After a lot of experiment of Google, found it's very faster, smoother and pretty efficient to develop websites and server-based application. It's an object-oriented language like C and C++ and Java, which means every app built with a main function is the starting point. Dart generally used to create a cross-platform applications like mobile applications, web application, command line application and server-based application. Flutter uses Dart as a primary language. What makes the Dart so versatile? Because it compiles its own format, it also transcompiles into JavaScript, which is readable by most of the devices. That is just not a language. It holds much more than that. It includes libraries, tool, standalone Dart VM compiler to JavaScript. It contains so many third parties libraries like Dart code. Dart code contain small and built-in function like collection, number and string. Dot asynchronous that is used for asynchronous programming that generally used callback function using a future and stream. We will discuss in a future videos. Dart math which provide mathematical and trigonometry function like max, mean and constant like pi and exponential etc. Dart convert has a converter for JSON and UTF-8 formatted data. Dart IO contains the API to deal with the file directory process, socket, HTTP socket and WebSocket. Dart HTML it contains the library that enables programming for browser. It can allow manipulation of an object and elimination of a DOM and give access to HTML5 APIs. Dart UI exposes the lower level services used in a bootstrap application like classes, rendering, graphics layout, and drawing the inputs. Let's talk about Dart tool that includes Dart SDK. It is generally used for web developer or for server based applications. Flutter SDK is generally used for mobile developers. IDE and editor they supported by Dart is Android Studio, VS Code, IntelliJ IDEA. Dartpad is the online compiler for Dart language. There are some command line tools like Pub Package Manager. It is generally helps in managing packages and distribute through different repositories. Static Analyzer. It evaluates reports and error and warning in your code. Code Formatter formats your code following the recommendation of a Dart style guide. Standalone Dart VM is the command line application for server side scripting and program. Dart VM runs on a background during the process of the application. It runs in a two mode, just in a time. It is used for dynamically loading Dart source, parsing and compiling it into native code on the fly. It is the executable. It provides features like hot reloading and debugging ahead of time. It is used to support loading and execution of a pre-compiled machine code. It does not support a dynamically loading, parsing and compilation. It mainly used for deployment of the application. Dart code is compiled into JavaScript using Dart2JS and Dart DevC included in a Dart SDK. Dart2JS it is used for development. It allows a user to run and debug their web application using any modern web browser. Dart2JS it is used for deployment. User can compile a Dart file into JavaScript format using a Dart.js tool. Dart having some special features. Dart makes easy to provide to create a smooth animations and transitions that runs on a 60 fps. It is a very fast than other languages because it builds its own JavaScript. The package system allow many developers to create a library and share as a repository. It provides very simple syntax which is easy to understand. Dart uses semantics. It does not deal with undefined data, only deals with a null and gives a proper error message. Thank you.